Hello students, let's study osmotic pressure. As you know what is osmosis? The phenomenon in which solvent particles move from low solute concentration to high solute concentration through semi-permeable membrane, that is known as osmosis. We had seen details last time. We are going to study what is osmotic pressure. As we have seen one thing, that if we are having a beaker with us filled with water, in which one thistle funnel is inverted containing sugar solution. A thistle funnel is inverted in which we have sugar solution, and a semi-permeable membrane is fixed over the wide mouth of the thistle funnel. We will find that water molecule will move inside the thistle funnel through semi-permeable membrane. As we know that it is moving from low solute concentration to high solute concentration. So we will find that the level in the thistle funnel will rise, and there will develop a equilibrium between the solution and solvent side. We will find that due to this liquid in the column, there is a pressure which is known as hydrostatic pressure. This hydrostatic pressure, which is working in the tube of thistle funnel, which is making a column, that hydrostatic pressure is the measure of osmotic pressure. So we had seen this experiment in osmosis also, that water particles are moving inside the thistle funnel and the level of the solution inside the thistle funnel increases. There develops a hydrostatic pressure which is the measure of osmotic pressure. Now let's have two vessels. One more experiment. Let's have two vessels connected through a semi-permeable membrane is fixed between the two vessels. This is semi-permeable membrane. On one side, we have kept water. In this vessel we have kept water, pure solvent. Let this solvent is water. On another side, we have kept solution. Let's say sugar solution. Sugar dissolved in water. Now both the vessels are connected through a tube in which a semi-permeable membrane is fixed. Here pressure applied, piston is kept. This piston is having the pressure P atmosphere. Here also one piston is kept which is applying the pressure P atmosphere. Now we will see that since here solvent is there, here sugar solution is there, so osmosis will occur. There will be passage of solvent to the solution side. That means low solute concentration to high solute concentration through semi-permeable membrane. We will see that because of this, their level rises in the solution side, because continuously solvent is moving to the sugar solution side. We will find that this piston will be moved upward, and due to this we will find that piston is moving upward. So we will find that if we apply some extra pressure pi atmosphere, like extra pressure is pi atmosphere, we apply some extra pressure along with this P atmosphere, P plus pi. The pressure is P plus pi. When this extra pressure is applied, we will find that the osmosis stops. When we apply pi pressure extra, then osmosis stops. This pi is osmotic pressure. So how we will define osmotic pressure? Just once more, we have carried out one experiment that in one vessel we have kept pure solvent, in another vessel we have kept sugar solution. Both the vessels are connected through a tube in which we have fixed the semi-permeable membrane. Osmosis occurs from solvent side to sugar solution, low solute concentration to high solute concentration, and already we have fixed one piston on both the vessels which is applying P pressure over both the vessels. Now we will find that due to movement of solvent because of osmosis from solvent side to solution side, we will find the piston tries to move upward. So to stop the movement of piston outward or upward, we will apply extra pressure which is equals to pi. Let this pressure is pi. Then we will find that this pressure stops the osmosis. So the excess pressure which stops the osmosis is known as osmotic pressure. How we will define it? The excess pressure which must be applied to the solution side so as to prevent the passage of solvent to solution side through semi-permeable membrane, that is known as osmotic pressure. In normally we will say the osmotic pressure is the excess pressure applied on the solution side which stops the osmosis. So what is osmosis? It is actually preventing the passage of solvent particle to the solution side through semi-permeable membrane. So we'll see osmotic pressure as a colligative property. How we will define the excess pressure applied on the solution side that is to the solution, or we can say to the solution, so as to prevent the passage of solvent to solution side through semi-permeable membrane. This is what? Osmotic pressure. This is the definition of osmotic pressure. Now we will see osmotic pressure as a colligative property in our next class.